places, school, park, hospital, house, emociones, happy, sad, angry, tired, fruits, apple, orange, watermelon, banana, lemon, pineapple, animals, cat, dog, fish, chicken, mouse, pig, drinks, water, juice, milk, soda, coffee, family, dad, daddy, mom, mommy, brother, sister. Numbers: 8, 3, 5, 1, 7, 9, 2, 6, 4, 10. Sickness, enfermedades. Headache, back, stomachache, colors. Red, blue, green, orange, pink, yellow, white, purple, brown, black, gray. Countries: China, Japan, Mexico, Dominican Republic, United States, Spain. Pronouns: I, you, she, he, it, we, they, you. School supplies: pencil, book, notebook, backpack. Jobs: mechanic, teacher, farmer, students, dentist, policeman, police officer, doctor, chef, cook. Games: play the piano, play chess, play the guitar, play the violin, play basketball, play baseball, play soccer, play volleyball. Vehicles: bike, motorcycle, car, plane, boat. Food: fish, chicken, salami, spaghetti, banana, cassava, broccoli, rice, bread, egg, plantain, cake. Activities: play, see, study, drink, like, run, have breakfast, sleep, swim, cook, love, work. take a shower, talk, speak, have a cat, watch TV, cry, clean, go to school, brush your teeth, want, go shopping, fly, open the door, close the door, dance, listen to music, sing, fix, wild animals, elephant, lion, tiger, wolf, bear, dinosaur, dragon, sea animals, shark, dolphin, whale, octopus,